The uncharted waters of AI oversight. A Senate hearing with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. The Senate Judiciary Committee held a hearing on AI oversight with witnesses, including Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, Gary Marcus, Professor Emeritus at New York University, and Julie Montgomery, Vice President and Chief Privacy and Trust Officer at IBM. The hearing focused on the need for regulation and safeguards given the rapid advancements and potential risks of artificial intelligence. Key points discussed in the hearing included: 1. Necessity of an independent commission. The idea of forming an independent commission for overseeing AI and its effects was proposed. It was compared to the way Congress oversees sectors like agriculture or Wall Street. The commission's role would be to enforce regulations for the greater good. 2. Regulatory hurdles. Concerns were raised about regulations potentially becoming cumbersome and having a negative influence. It was suggested that the new agency should focus on mitigating privacy invasion, bias, and disinformation. 3. International collaboration. Discussions revolved around global implications of AI and the need for international cooperation. However, the sentiment was that America should take the lead in this field. 4. Avoidance of regulatory capture. The risk of greenwashing, or giving the appearance of regulation without holding companies accountable for harms, was addressed. 5. Protection of data privacy. OpenAI's approach to data privacy was discussed, with Altman highlighting that they don't train on any specific data and only keep data for 30 days. Users of their AI, like Chat GPT, can opt out and delete their conversations. 6. AI self-awareness. The timeline for AI becoming self-aware was considered uncertain. The panel agreed that mechanisms for enforcement should be paramount when this level of AI development occurs. 7. Areas of high risk. Misinformation, transparency issues, and the need for stricter rules around medical advice were among the areas deemed high risk. The potential for AI to be used for manipulation, both by individuals and the AI itself, was also discussed. 8. Economic implications. The potential loss of jobs due to AI, invasion of privacy, manipulation of behavior, and degradation of elections were listed as possible economic implications. 9. AI moratorium. A 6-month pause on certain AI developments was suggested, with a focus on developing more trustworthy and safe AI. However, the consensus was that a complete halt isn't practical and efforts should be made to implement safeguards and protections. 10. Liability and consumer protection. The issue of liability in cases of harm caused by AI was discussed. It was suggested that existing consumer protection laws could be applied to AI, and companies should be held responsible if their AI causes harm. 11. Dominance of AI. Concerns were raised about the dominance of a few large companies in the AI field. The aim is to encourage a rich and diverse industry of startups and prevent centralization of power. 12. Democratic opportunities. The potential for AI to democratize opportunities was discussed. The hope is that rules and regulations would help enforce fairness and prevent bias. Overall, the hearing stressed the urgency of establishing rules and safeguards for AI and highlighted the need for transparency, accountability, and limits on use. The sentiment was that while AI has immense potential, it also poses significant risks, making careful oversight imperative. For more information, please don't hesitate to connect with Canton's SEO Change Marketing for any digital marketing needs. Please visit https://www.seochangemarketing.com.